So we will continue with similar triangles. See question number 2. Question number 2. EF and R. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state the EF parallel to QR. Okay, see a triangle here. PQR, E and F are points. What is given? PE 3.9. This is 3.9. EQ 3. PF 3.6. And FR 2.4. So, look at here. Find out PE by EQ. What is PE by EQ? This is 3.9 divided by 3. 3 means 3.0. That is 39 by 30. 3 cancel 13. 3 cancel 10. 13 by 10. Okay. Then PF by FR. That is 3.6 by 2.4. This by this. 36 by 24. 12 3s are 12 2s are. 3 by 2. Look at these two ratios should be same. Is not same. Therefore, P by EQ not equal to PF by FR. Therefore, EF is not parallel to QR. If the ratio becomes equal, then you write parallel. The ratio is not equal, then not parallel. Okay. So remaining parts homework for you. Other parts homework. Same method. Okay. Now say question number 3. Question number 3 in figure or in the given figure, LM parallel to CB, LM parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB, AN by AD. This is what you have to prove. So figure is given to us. Look at what is the shape of the figure. Okay, A B C D. This is AC. This is LM. LM. This is LN. Okay. Now look at here. Very simple. When you say these two are parallel, the basic proportionality theorem, AM by AMB, AL by LC. So write down. Acha. Ye also you can write, because AB you will find out na. One theorem already approved, that AM by AB also you can write. Look at here. AM by AB. Then this side also same. AL by AC you have to write. Okay. Write in ABC triangle. LM parallel to BC. You can write AM by MB, AL by LC. This is one formula. Also AM by total, AL by total. That is also same formula here. So you can write AM by AB, AL by total is AC. Equation number 1. Okay. ACD triangle. In ACD triangle, AL by AC. Because LN parallel to CD, so AL by AC, AL by total AD. Equation number 2. Look, AL by AC common. So taking 1 into, these two will be equal. These two will be equal. Taking equation number 1 and 2. Taking equation number 1 and 2. You will find AM by AB equals to AL by AB. Because this is what you want to prove, so prove. Means theorem is closed. Symbol is like this. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. In the given figure, DE parallel to AC, DF parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE, BE by EC. So the diagram is given to us. This is our ABC triangle. ABC triangle. Then we draw a line here, AE. AE, DF. AE, DF. ये दोनों पैरेलल है. DF parallel AE. DF उल्टा you can give. DF parallel AE. So one more thing is there. You have joined this. Okay. So you want to prove BF by FE. BF by FE equals to BE by EC. One sided. Okay. Now look, you take BAE triangle. You take BAE triangle. In proof, BAE triangle, BAE triangle में ये दोनों पैरेलल, DF parallel AE. Look at here, DF parallel AE. So how will you start? BD by DA, BD by DA, BD by DA, BF by FE. Equation number 1. Okay. Then you have taken these two parallel. Again you see DE parallel AC, ये भी parallel है. तो ये कौन सा triangle है? Now you have to take again ABC triangle. In ABC triangle, ABC triangle, DE parallel AC, DE parallel AC. Okay, look, when DE parallel AC, you have to start from here. BD by DA, BD by DA. Which line parallel? E up to E, DE. That means BE by EC. Look once more. If you just forget these two, you can understand it. Look now. If these two are parallel, BD by DA, BE by EC, BE by EC. Equation number 2. Look, BD by DA common, so these two will be equal. So taking 1 into, taking 1 into BE by EC, BF by FE. Look. Okay. This is done. Next. What is your next question? Go to question number 5. In figure, in the given figure, DE parallel to OQ, DA parallel to OR, so that EF parallel to QR. Okay, the diagram is given to us. Look at the diagram. This is P, Q, R. This is the point O. This you have to join. Okay. Then there is a point D. There is a point E. There is a point F. You have to join this. You have to join this. Then you have to join this. Okay, now go partwise. Same rule. DE parallel OQ. DE parallel OQ. Which triangle now? This triangle AOQ triangle. So in AOQ triangle, AE by EQ. Look, which one parallel? Look at DE means you consider this point, this by this, PD by DO. D by DO. Equation number 1. Okay, this side. This is parallel to this one. Which triangle? POR triangle. This is POP. POR triangle. DF parallel OR. Look, DF parallel OR. So, if PD by DO, PD by DO equals to PD by DO equals to PF by FR. PF by FR. Equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. PD by DO common, look at here. PD by DO is common. So AE by EQ, PF by FR. So taking equation number 1 and 2. Taking equation number 1 and 2. AE by EQ, PF by FR. Look again now. AE by EQ, PF by FR. अगर मैं if I draw this part, you can understand now. Now check. PE by EQ, PF by FR. That means this is parallel to this one. So this implies EF parallel to QR. This is what you want to prove. Same concept, different ways. Okay. See another question. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6. In the given figure, ABC are points. ABC are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. Such that AB parallel PQ, AC parallel, same method, AC parallel PR. Prove that exactly same method. BC parallel to QR. Okay, let's see the triangle given to us. This is PQR. This is O. Then join this. Then there is a point A. Join B. Join C. Then A, B, C. A. Okay. So what is your clue? Look at your clue is step by step. AB parallel PQ. Look here. AB parallel PQ. So which triangle? That means this triangle. POQ triangle. Second right. In POQ triangle, AB parallel PQ. If this is parallel, its opposite is which point? O. OB by BQ. OB by BQ. OA by AP. OA by AP. Equation number 1. Okay, this is parallel. Now you come to this side. AC parallel pair. AC parallel pair. So which triangle? This means OPR triangle. OPR triangle. AC parallel pair. So parallel, if this is parallel, OC by CR. OC by CR. OC by CR. OA by AP. OA by AP. देखो OA by AP common. So taking 1 and 2. Taking 1 and 2. What will you get? Taking 1 and 2. Then you will get common, you have to remove. OB by BQ. OB by BQ equals to OC by CR. Look at here. OB by BQ. OC by CR. That means if I forget this, then it will be easy for you to pick up. OB by BQ. OC by CR. So which are parallel? These two are parallel. So implies BC is parallel to QR. Okay. Let's take one more. Question number 7. Using theorem (6.1) means that is a basic proportionality theorem. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a channel parallel to another side bisects the third side. This what you do is, you should understand the statement. First you take any triangle ABC. A line drawn through the midpoint of one side. Suppose this is your midpoint, means these two are equal. This is suppose D, you draw a line parallel now. A line drawn midpoint of one side parallel to this side bisects the third side, means you draw these also equal. Okay? Now look. Very simple this is. What is given? Given AD equals to DB. Given AD equals to DB. Why? Because D is midpoint. Then also given DF parallel to BC. DF parallel to BC. What is to prove? You have to prove bisects other side. Other side means you have to prove AF equals to FC. Okay. Now look, using in ABC triangle, look, ABC triangle DF parallel to BC. DF parallel to BC. So by BPT, basic proportional theorem. What is the formula? AD by DB. AD by DB equals to AF by FC. Formula, basic proportional theorem. But AD is equal to DB. ये तो कैंसिल हो गया because इक्वल है. Cancel means 1. You can write your since AD equals to DB. So equal तो cancel होगा. That means 1 equals to AF by FC. The cross multiplication. So 1 into FC equals to AF. So implies FC equals to AF. Means अगर ये दोनों AF equals to FC means AF is midpoint. AF is midpoint. Proved. Simple. Only concept should be clear. What you are doing. Okay now. Using theorem 6.2 means converse of BPT. Using theorem 6.2 means converse of BPT. The second theorem which I proved that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle, the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. It is simple and look at. So you are given here A, B, C. There is a point, suppose D, there is a point F. ये midpoint हो गया. Means this part equals to this part, this part equals to this part. So when you draw a line, then you prove ये दोनों parallel. Concept is same. Okay. Now look. In ABC triangle, D is midpoint of the side AB. A midpoint, that means these two parts are equal. So AD equals to DB. अगर ये इक्वल है then what is AD by DB? If you bring this one here it will be 1. Okay, why 1? Because this will come down, so 1 will remain here. Similarly, F is midpoint. Similarly, F is midpoint on AC. Midpoint means AF equals to FC. AF equals to FC. So implies AF, this will come down, FC equals to 1. ये भी 1, that means these two are equal. So taking equation number 1 and 2, taking equation number 1 and 2, what do you get? AD by DB, AF by FC. AD by DB equals to AF by FC. Means अगर ये ratio this by this equals to this by this, then this is parallel to this one. Implies DF parallel to this. Remaining we'll do tomorrow.